Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see how marketing is going to cope up with other functions, other areas. Only marketing will not give you wonders. Only marketing is not going to give the success to any organization. Till manufacturing to until it reaches to the consumer, the product. Till that period, only marketing is not going to work out. Marketing has to cope up with other areas. What are those other areas? We are going to focus only 4 points. You have to remember. Very easy topic. Now let us enter into the topic. The topic is interface of marketing with other functional areas. Interface of marketing with other functional areas. What are the functional areas where we have to focus? That 4 points. That you can say it as a marketing strategies and plans. Marketing and strategies with other departments. What are the other departments? One is finance department, production department, human resource department, and lastly accounting department. With 4 departments, they should have very good coordination, understanding, and a very good coordination. If all these things are possible, then only marketing department will have a good idea about the organization, what they have to do, where they have to focus, and all these things. Let's focus on the each and every functional area, every department. First thing is that finance department. Finance department means, especially every organization, finance is the backbone. Financially, if they are sound, like where they are, from where they are taking the funds and how they are utilizing it, financially are they strong? So if this is good, then marketing will be easy. They can spend some money on marketing also if they are financially strong. So that is why finance department is the first important area which is connected with the marketing department. In finance department, few areas you have to focus. One is investment. Who are the investors in this organization? And whenever this organization is having extra money, extra fund, so that is invested in another organization. 2 points. Somebody is invested in our organization and we are investing in another organization, excess, that is surplus amount. So related to this investment, you need to have a good understanding. Investments are good, no problem at all, then we can spend money easily on marketing area, isn't it? That is why investment will focus. And in the same way, capital, how they are accumulating the capital, do they have any kind of scarcity or any kind of difficulties, okay, any drawbacks? So this is also important to know in finance department. Another one is cash flow. Cash flow is also important. The required cash flow, you have to keep it. Related to this cash flow, we have studied in one topic in management accounting. What is the topic? Yes, cash flow management. Yes, cash flow management. What we have studied: cash inflow, cash outflow. How much is inflow, how much is outflow? That balance we have to take care. If inflow is good, outflow is less than, you can say it is a satisfactory something. I hope you got, just giving you an idea. Okay, that's about cash flow. So these are the main areas you have to focus on the finance department. Finance department is good and finance department position is good and finance department connection is good with marketing, then we can do some kind of strategies. We can do wonders with our good planning and strategies. So that is why we say finance department first. Next one is production department. Production and marketing, both are very much interesting and also interactive. Production is over means that is to be taken care by the marketing department, packing, delivering, and it has to reach to the customers, who are the mediators and how should be the advertising. This would be the next process after the production. So that is why marketing department should have a good cope up with the production department. In production department, we need to focus on the 3 aspects. One is production, how much production is going on. Now as per the demand, do we have the production? Are we in a position to deliver the goods? So that's the main responsibility of the production department. So focusing on the production. Scarcity should not be there. Whenever customer is expecting so much of delivery or so much of products, then production department must be ready to dispose those goods. That is the production we are focusing, and capacity of the organization, how much they are able to deliver the goods, what is the capacity of the organization, that is, and flexibility and efficiency. Sometimes more or less, whenever burden is there, they should be in a position to deliver the goods. Whenever there is no problem at all, just relax. Related to this production department and marketing, I want to tell you an interesting story, very much useful for you all. Once upon a time, very interesting, just focus. Once upon a time, one company, shoes company, they wanted to do increase their sales. They want to increase their sales. They have appointed two persons. One is A and one is B. Two persons are appointed. They are sent to an island to sell the goods. What are the goods? Shoes and chappal. Island, undeveloped island, tribal people are roaming in the island, and the moment when they entered into the island, they have seen the tribal people, no one is wearing chappal, they do not have any idea. Then A has said that people are not wearing chappal, they do not know anything, we can't sell our products. No, I'm giving up, I'm coming back to Mumbai. Then he just gave up and came back to Mumbai. Now look at the strategy of B. Now what B has done, where there is no idea at all, let us give idea. Let us give them an interesting idea about why to wear chappal, what are the uses, how it is going to protect, all these things he explained to few people. And he gave some samples also, sample chappal, shoes. And these samples, the people who are wearing and roaming in the island, everyone who were in the island, they were very interested. What is this? Then they said that somebody has given so and so samples. It's looking protective and good, comfortable. Then rest of the people started showing their interest. Now just imagine demand for the product. Huge demand. Immediately B gave a message to the head office saying that there's a lots of huge demand is there. Please send lots of goods, thousands of goods. People are ready, they are in queue. Now that's the strategy. Where demand is not there, you have to create the demand. Increase the production. How to increase the production? Strategically, you have to understand. Now, what is the condition of A? Gave up, but B, reverse. And miraculous sales he is doing it. So he got a promotion, B got a promotion, he got a bungalow, he got a Mercedes car, this and that, what not. Everything is possible with the strategic planning. This is related to the production department story, one simple story. Clear. Next, let's focus on the next one. Human resource department. Human resource department is also related to the marketing. How? Human resource department are the main important department who are recruiting the marketing people, who are giving the training, who are focusing on the activities of the organization, strategies and everything. HR department, isn't it? That is why HR department and marketing also should have a good understanding. HR department, they have to focus on the main recruitments who are required for the organization, especially in marketing department. And in the same way, how to select these people, what is the caliber, what is the minimum qualification and their skills which are required to the marketing department, that they have to take care while selecting. And after selection, they have to focus on the training. First selection, then training, second point, then after that, first recruitment is over, after recruitment, in recruitment process, select, train and motivate, third point. Selection is over, training is also over, then motivate them, tell them the object of the organization, why we are working with the organization, what is the need, what is the strategy of the organization, like you have to just give them a motivation. So automatically people will focus on the organization, they'll work for the organization, they'll try to give the best of their knowledge and innovative ideas to the organization. So it's everything is with the human resource department only. So you need to have a good understanding, good focus with the human resource department. And last one is accounting department. Accounting department with finance is different, accounts is different. Accounts department will give you exact data of the organization, what's going on in the organization, how much funds we are having and how we are utilizing it, what do you need it, how much you need, when do you need it. So everything is accounts department is taking care. That is why this marketing department should have a good understanding with the accounts department. Accounts department means mainly they are focusing on the sources of cost and revenue. What are the sources of cost? How much we are spending, how much we are getting. What is the source? Means revenue, and how much we are spending. This is important. They'll be taking care of this. They'll be asking this marketing department how much you are spending, how much you are getting it. This is one important thing. Another one is products and activities. Products, how many products we have, activities, how you are developing it, so that everything also it will be reflecting in the accounts. And profitability, how much profit we are getting. Finally, whatever you do, finally we need ultimately profit. Profit or loss, how do we come to know? Through the accounts department only, isn't it? There are many ways. Final account statements you can prepare it, consignments you can prepare it, and also you can prepare branch account, this and that, whatever is required according to the requirement you can prepare it, but ultimately profitability will be knowing through the accounts department only. So mainly 4 departments. What are those? Finance, production, and here human resource department and accounts department. Only 4 departments. They should have a good understanding with the marketing. Automatically it will be in a good position. Screenshot, yes. In the coming further classes, we'll take care more topics. Stay connected. There are many subjects already prepared and uploaded. Check out the playlist and don't forget to share this video. Everything is for you all at the rate free of cost. Utilize it and get the good marks. Have a bright career. Good luck.